coughing isn't just a cough. Did you know that there are actually many different types of coughs? Let me explain them to you today and see which one sounds like yours. The first one is acute cough, which lasts less than 3 weeks, usually caused by a cold or infection. The second one is chronic cough, which persists for more than 8 weeks, potentially linked to asthma or acid reflux. The third is dry cough, which has no mucus, often caused by allergies or a virus. The fourth one is a wet cough, which produces mucus, which typically indicates an infection. And the last one is the night cough, which worsens at night, possibly due to asthma or acid reflux.
Saya telah diganggu oleh batuk yang berterusan untuk masa yang lama. Dekat saya sakit setiap hari. Dan suara saya menjadi serak setiap kali bercakap terlalu banyak. Dan saya benar-benar risau ia mungkin sesuatu yang serius. Kemudian, atas cadangan seorang ahli farmasi, saya mencuba Timo Brefwell Cough Syrup dan saya sangat menyesal sebab tak menemuinya lebih awal.
Timo Brefwell Cough Syrup contains Ivy Leaf extract and the Timo's own cultivated Cordyceps. The nutritional content of Timo's Cordyceps is 10 times higher than that of regular Cordyceps, delivering stronger results and faster effects.
Timo.